Hi, my name is Rachel Montpelier,
I'm Chastity Salgado.
And I'm Kimberly Romero.
and we're here behind the scenes at Memorial High School STEAM Academy, where we go from concept to prototype.
So right here is our think tank. This is the whiteboard we use to brainstorm and sketch our ideas. We also use it to develop most of our concepts. And we also use a CAD program to help us create most of our sketches digitally.
So some of the projects that we've done is our Vex Robotics program, our aquaponics system, the prosthetic arm, and our green technology house. Now, in order to even create these, we had to use a lot of technological skills. These skills include our Fusion 360 or Tinkercad, which is a beginner version for Fusion, in order to use 3D printing to create things in the green technology house. We also used Arduino to help with our solar panels and coding for the greenhouse and our Vex Robotics. Now, we also incorporated a lot of Fusion into the prosthetic arm and a lot of mechanical skills when we were creating not only the prosthetic arm, but also our aquaponics system. Now, we're gonna take you guys downstairs to our STEAM lab where you can see some of our projects. Let's go!
Okay, so right now I will be showing you some of the projects that will be used in the Memorial High School STEAM kit. So first we have the dollhouse, which uses Arduino. Then we have our solar panels, which charges uncharged batteries. Then we have a robot using Vex Robotics, which uses wiring. And then finally, we have a prosthetic arm, which uses Fusion 360 and 3D printing, which will also be incorporated into the Memorial High School STEAM kit. So our big goal this year is to bring what we do here to all the schools in the country and then the world.
So in the Memorial STEAM kit, from concept to prototype, you're going to be doing activities that mainly involve 3D printing. You're going to be able to build your own 3D printer that will give you the parts for. You're also going to be learning how to use Tinkercad that will eventually allow you to 3D print your own nameplates. You're also going to be building a pre-made prosthetic arm, and you're also going to wire it using block coding. Lastly, you're going to be able to wire a solar panel to charge batteries.
So our Memorial STEAM kit will include the following. It'll include parts to create your own 3D printer, filament for that 3D printer, batteries, solar panels to charge those batteries, wires, wire cutters, and student-made instructional videos and handbook in order to help improve your STEAM skills and help lead you through the 21st century world. Now, this STEAM kit will be sold at a bargain price of $2,000, which is usually the normal price for a Fusion 360 printer. Please invest in our STEAM kit to help bring STEAM skills to everyone. Thank you.